What if I tell you the entire credit card industry, which is worth of trillions today? It all has started because of the one man who forgot his wallet at home before coming to restaurant. Sounds crazy, right? But it is 100% true. Here is how an embarrassing moment turned into a world-changing financial idea. Let's rewind to 1949 in New York City. A businessman named Frank McNamara was out at a nice restaurant called Major's Cabin Grill having dinner with important clients. But when the bill came, he reached for his wallet and realized he forgot it at home. Embarrassed and stuck, he had to call his wife to come all the way to the restaurant and bring him cash. That embarrassed situation sparked a bold idea. What if I never have to carry cash again? What if I could just use a card to pay? Together with his friend and lawyer Ralph Schneider, he turned this awkward moment into a brilliant invention. In 1950, they launched the Diners Club card, the first credit card the world has ever seen. It started with just 27 participating restaurants in New York. Only 200 people were given the first cards, mostly friends and business associates. Instead of charging interest, users had to pay their full balance each month. But people loved the convenience. No need for cash, no embarrassing moments. In just 1 year, the Diners Club had 10,000 users. Then the big players entered: American Express, Bank Americard, which became Visa, and MasterCharge, which became MasterCard. This one simple idea sparked a global financial revolution. Credit cards became the bridge between freedom and finance, changing how we shop, travel, and live. Today, over 3 billion credit cards are in use worldwide, and it all started with the forgotten wallet. Why credit cards matter? It is one of the tools for cashless economy. It introduced the concept of buy now, pay later to the world. It helped to build the foundation for modern consumer credit and online payments. One of the most important advantages of credit cards is the security and fraud protection. Credit cards offer fraud detection, transaction alerts, and zero liability for unauthorized purchases. You will get rewards and benefits. It makes life easier, build financial strength, and offer protection and perks all in one swipe. Interesting, right? Wait a second. What if Frank McNamara had kept his credit card also in his wallet? Thoughtful question. But thanks to him, we now get to enjoy all the perks of credit cards. So next time when you tap your credit card, remember you are using a tool born from one of the most relatable moments ever: forgetting your wallet. If you enjoyed this story, hit like and subscribe for more surprising money facts and financial stories that changed the world. And tell us in the comments what is the most awkward money moment you have ever had.